Detox water is water that has been full of the flavors of fresh fruits, vegetables or herbs. It's sometimes referred to as fruit soaked in water or fruit flavored water. You can make detox water at home in lots of different ways, using any combination of fruits, vegetables and herbs that you like. Because it's made by soaking in flavor, rather than juicing or blending, detox water contains very few calories. That makes it a popular drink for detox diets like the Lemon Detox or Master Clean. Detox water is also often recommended in weight loss plans, especially in place of high-sugar drinks like sugary soda and fruit juice. Making detox water at home is very simple. All you need is water and a selection of fruits, vegetables and herbs. Simply chop up your ingredients and add them to hot or cold water, depending on your preference. The more of an ingredient you use, the stronger the flavor will become. If you're making a cold drink, you can leave the detox water in the fridge for 1 to 12 hours to allow the flavors to soak in more deeply. Be sure to remove the ingredients after this time though, so they don't begin to rot. If you're in a hurry, crushing your fruit and herbs before using them can help release the flavors more quickly. The exact properties of detox water will differ depending on the ingredients you use and the strength of the infusion. However, many of the health claims for detox water can be attributed to the water itself rather than the ingredients it's flavored with. 1. Helps with weight loss. Drinking water may help you lose weight, and this applies to detox water too. Water has been shown to raise your metabolic rate, so you burn more calories. Studies have shown that drinking 17 ounces, half a liter, of water can increase your related to processing and using food rate by up to 30% for about an hour. In fact, people who drink the recommended amount of water as part of a weight loss program tend to lose more weight than those who don't. One study found that overweight adults who drank 17 ounces, half a liter, of water before their meals lost 40% more weight than those who didn't. This can be partially explained by a rise in your metabolic rate, but may also be due to the effect water has on your desire to eat. Drinking water has been linked to reduced hunger, so if you drink water before a meal, you may eat less. 2. Improves digestive health. Filling up with water is important for digestive health and maintaining regular bowel movements. Long-lasting dehydration can cause constipation, which can make you feel swollen and slow. Drinking plenty of water may help food pass smoothly through your gut and prevent you from becoming unable to have a bowel movement. 3. Improves mood and energy levels. Even mild dehydration can affect mood, concentration and energy levels. Studies have shown that dehydration levels of around 1% can significantly decrease mood, reduce concentration span and cause headaches. One study looked at adults who drank, destroyed less than 41 ounces, 1.2 liters, of water per day. When they increased their water intake to 85 ounces, 2.5 liters, per day, they were happier, had more energy and felt calmer. If you aren't drinking enough, increasing your water intake could improve your mood and give you more energy. 4. Boosts immune function. It's true that eating fruits and vegetables and even fruit juices can help support your disease-fighting system. Especially, vitamin C has been shown to benefit your disease-fighting system when drank, destroyed on a regular basis. However, the amount of these vitamins, minerals, and proteins that you would get from an infusion like detox water is likely to be small and highly variable. Although it is probably but not definitely possible, it's unlikely detox water has any meaningful effect on unable to be harmed function. For more information on home remedies, check out Natural Home Cures.